The Blacksmith's Son. 1. The anvil sits inside its ring, dull grey with a light silver shine. I'm 4 years old. I stretch up to reach the metal dust and lift a pinch, grind it between fingers. It stains, stays stubborn. 2. Dad slapped you in the face, my sister said. I denied it again. But his hand, its metal dust, left an imprint. That is how I must have walked through town. In my mind, I retraced the steps. Who saw me like that? 3. The barber, a rough man and silent. Hands tilt my head to where he needs it to be. And I, tense like a wire, bent for him. Ears clear, my father says, a nod from the silent man. 4. I crash on my bike, lie in the street. A man comes and lifts me up into his arms. Where do you live? Someone says, that's the son of the blacksmith. He carries me to you. The door to the forge opens. You down your tools. 5. Your squared fingers pick frankfurters out of boiled water. Prelude afternoon in orange rods. I imagine my small hands beside yours. I see them melt. 6. The fire is fresh. I stare into it. The heat has me inside. The chisels are there with me, but the rough grey of the leather apron pushes me aside. 7. I balance on the steel girder, inching my way along. Out of sight, I hear my parents talk. Their words mix with the buzz of the fan, the gurgle and hiss of the water trough where the irons are hardened. I smell burning coal and hot rods, hear the tongues and hammer clank and bang on the anvil, the iron bar forced around the horn in its own hollow, high-pitched slang. I'm still out of sight when I slip, my head meeting the sharp metal corner. From my forehead, the blood runs into my eyes. You stand over me. This is no place for him. 8. The buzz when the welding rod touches the steel, sends it melting in an electric arc. Blurry flickers of light over the neighbour's house. Sidewall lights up in intervals, sprinkles white-blue. Cold, delightful flares dance in the boom of the phantom strands. I watch from the kitchen window above. Then time for bed, for curtains shut against the light. He will weld square blue sunrises long after I'm asleep. Buzz, light, buzz, light, buzz, light. Next morning, when I wake for school, I can hear the ring strike the anvil, as if he never went to bed.